Okay, so if you have a blender that you, like our blender, we don't know where the lid is. We lost it. It's somewhere we moved, blah, blah, blah. It's a really nice blender, glass top, so, and I want to use it still and I don't want to make a mess. So I'm going to take the bag the vegetables I bought came in. I'm going to stick it down in here just a hair like this. I'm going to take and pull this up right at the top of the handle. I'm going to come down like this, and I'm going to split it right here. I'm going to cut this. So, just like this. Don't need to cut it a lot. And then I'm going to take and start to tie a knot in this bag. And then I'm just going to let the knot pull the bag and rip the bag as much as it needs to. And tie this as tight as I can. I'm going to slide this up a little bit more right there. And what you'll see is that the negative pressure in the blender will prevent this from having stuff come out. So I'm going to show you. So long as it stays on there, we can go to so I can also reach down in here and adjust what's happening if it gets like bound up a little bit. It's actually a really awesome idea just in general. I know what you want to see, which is the big pulse where it shoots everywhere if it does. So, ready? This is the part where it makes a mess on everybody else's kitchen. Let's go for the fastest. Ready? See? As it hits, because of that negative pressure, this bag prevents it from having any issues. And it's real tight. I mean, I'm pulling up on this and you can see the tension. So, you don't have a lid for your blender, do this. Just make sure the bag doesn't stick in so far it can get caught.